Hey friends, today Saral Japani brings you this quick test of Japanese. Let's test your knowledge of simple Japanese words beginning with the five vowel sounds a, I, U, E, O. We will present before you one word written in hiragana and you will have to read it and tell its meaning. So, are you ready for this challenge? Can you read these words and what do they mean? Simple words starting with a, I, U, E, O. Are you ready? So here we go. Here is the first word for you. Can you read it? Yes, that's right. Ashi. And what does ashi mean? It's leg. So here is the next one. Inu. Inu means dog. Eki. Rail station. Asa. Asa means morning. Ue. Ue means above. Eda. Eda means branch. Oni. Oni means demon. Omu. Omu means parrot. Ashta. Ashta means tomorrow. Isu. Isu means chair. Ase. Ase means sweat. Ishi. Ishi means stone. Uta. Uta means song. Usagi. Usagi means rabbit. Eno. Eno means bay. Okashi. Okashi means snacks. Ushi. Ushi means cow or bull. Otera. Otera means temple. Ito. Ito means girl child. Uchi. Uchi means home. Ahiru. Ahiru means duck. Ohio. Ohio means good morning. Empits. Empits means pencil. Ari. Ari means ant. Uma. Uma means horse. Ebi. Ebi means shrimp. Origami. Origami. Friends, thank you so much for taking this rapid challenge. In case you didn't score 100%, take the challenge again until you get all correct. And if you still find it difficult, then do visit the video as mentioned in the description of this lesson, of this test, and practice again and again. Thanks.